Hey everyone, today we're talking about growth. But I don't mean just inching forward. We're talking about completely shattering your limits and scaling in ways that just weren't possible before. And the key, the absolute engine behind all of this, you guessed it, artificial intelligence. So let's get into it.
This quote just nails it, doesn't it? AI is not some sci-fi dream anymore. It is, right now, the core engine making the most successful companies run. So today, we're going to break down exactly how you can get that engine fired up for yourself.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll look at why AI is this new growth engine. Then we'll get into the specifics of how it actually works. We're going to look at a real-world example, the grezorea ecosystem, to make it all tangible. And then we'll wrap up by looking at what this all means for your career.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the new growth engine. You know how every business, every project, eventually hits a wall, a point where scaling up just gets harder and harder? Well, we're going to see why AI isn't just a tool to chip away at that wall. It's the wrecking ball that smashes right through it.
I absolutely love this metaphor. Think about it. An engine isn't just some add-on accessory, it's the heart of the machine. It's what generates the power. And that's exactly what AI is becoming. It's not some niche tool for the IT department. It's the central powerhouse that pushes the entire organization forward.
Okay, so if AI is the engine, how does it actually, create that forward motion? That brings us to Section 2. We're going to look under the hood at the 4 key ways AI really transforms a business from the inside out.
It's really a powerful cycle when you see it laid out like this. First, you automate the repetitive stuff, which frees up your people to think bigger. Then, you give those smart people real-time data so they can make brilliant decisions. Those decisions help you create these amazing, personalized experiences for your customers. And the whole thing is built on an infrastructure that can actually handle all that success without collapsing. It just feeds on itself.
Okay, this all sounds incredible in theory, right? But here's the big question. How do you actually bring this kind of power into your own business? I mean, you can't just flip a switch, or can you? And that question leads us directly to Section 3, the grezorea ecosystem. To make this really practical, we're going to focus on this specific example. It's a platform built from the ground up to be a complete answer to that how-to question. Now, the source uses this phrase, a decentralized operating system for growth. That might sound a little complex, but the idea is actually super simple. Think about the OS on your smartphone. It's the foundation that lets all your different apps work together perfectly. Well, this is the same idea, but for all the AI tools your business needs to grow. So here's what that actually looks like in the real world. You can plug powerful AI straight into your CRM. Boom, that's your automation. You get real-time intelligence to untangle your supply chain. Hello, smarter decisions. And you get access to the heavy-duty computing power you need to make it all run smoothly. That's how you scale. It's all about creating workflows that are as smart and ambitious as you are.
But wait, here is the piece of the puzzle that so many people miss. This isn't just about the company's growth. It's two sides of the exact same coin. As the organization gets more efficient and expands globally, the people inside that organization are growing too, sharpening their skills, automating the boring stuff, and literally fast-tracking their own careers. Which is the perfect lead-in to Section 4, powering your career growth. Because this is where we shift the focus to you. This is about how using an ecosystem like this isn't just good for the company, it is an absolute game changer for your professional life. You see what happens here? You're not just getting your work done faster. You're actively working with and learning from the most advanced tools out there. You are becoming fluent in the language of the future. This is how you stop just keeping up and start leading the pack in a world that's going to be run by intelligent systems. And that brings us to our 5th and final section, growth beyond limits. We've seen how AI powers the business and how it powers the individual. So now let's tie it all together and see what this new reality looks like when both are firing on all cylinders.
When you boil it all down, the mission is incredibly clear. It's about helping both the organization and the individuals inside it break through their respective barriers. Because let's be real, a company can't truly grow unless its people are growing too. The two are completely intertwined. And this is the ultimate mindset shift. When you put AI at the very center of everything you do, scaling stops feeling like this constant, painful struggle. It's not a challenge to be overcome anymore. It just becomes the natural, logical next step.
So we've covered the why, the how, and the what. We've seen the engine, the mechanics, and the platform. Really, there's only one question left, and this one's for you. Are you ready to take your growth beyond its limits?